Hi folks, today furthermore about HP ProLiant 560, this time central processor unit. Stay tuned, let's get started. In front of us is DL560. We're going to concentrate on this part. That's the enclosure where all the HP ProLiant processor are installed. Okay, let's get into it. I'm going to turn the machine. See, the BIOS itself is going to turn on. We can see there's 4 processors itself, 2.8 gigahertz. It supports 3 level of cache itself, which is L1 8 kilobytes, L2 512 and L3 2 megabytes. The socket itself is PGA 603. And this type of processor itself features Intel NetBurst micro architecture, hyper-threading technology. We're going to look at inside of this enclosure. As you can see here, this is a braided cable which usually is to connect to PCB. It's all ground is connected as well. One of the techniques itself. I'm going to open this. What we got here is 4 radiators itself, which is cooling the all processors, and the ventilators as well on that side, so all green. We can see the noise, we can hear the noise come down. A bit closer to the machine itself. Those processors are still available on the market. It's the Intel Xeon technology MP with the hyper-threading, which you will get a double than what you got here, so it will be 8 logical ones. A thermal image of the 4 HP ProLiant processors itself. On the left we can see it heats up more, and on the right a little bit here, which means the coolers maybe which are here, they're not doing their job, or basically this takes more priority and do more work than the others. We have to basically do some cleanup, take the dust out and see if the result is better. And this filter palette is showing you high and low. This effect show high, so we can see where the all highs are straight away, so you can see where is the problem. You can see those left and right are heating up more. Perfect color palette to indicate any issues. And let's see on that palette, as soon as going to the left, you can see where's the hottest spot. So that will be our problem. I assume it will be worth to look into that CPU. Why is heating up more than the others? What we're going to try to do is to improve the thermal performance. We've seen this CPU is taking more heat than the others. We got coolers here that are hot swap. You can actually take them when they're running. And it looks like that. We can see there's a lot of dust on them. And haven't been actually running in ages, more than 10 years. Right. Let's give it a brush. Take another side. Right. Let's do the same with the other. Let's take more dust than the others actually. I think the best will be take the Hoover. And then going with this brush, that's a good start. Take all the pieces, the big chunks. Okay. See, there's some dust here as well. Let's take that one, maybe help a bit. It's a big chunk as well. We can see some of that side on the heatsink. Some dust as well. So that all contribute to worse performance of those heatsink itself. I would try to put on the website on the link how actually heatsink from thermoregulation is helping out to take the temperature out. Okay, right. Let's put those back on. Let's see if that gives you any improvements. Okay. Let me turn on the machine. Okay guys, so after the cleanup, we can see some improvements. On the left, you can see it's not as hot as before. The heatsink works better, and I think the cooling system is adding more air as well, which improves. On the right you can see a little bit red, which we haven't been working on that. Let's see actually where's the hottest place, and we can see that it's not anymore there. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you got comments, please leave them down below. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.